Good morning, Super Scholars. I hope you all had a wonderful weekend and that you are back and ready to learn. We have 5 days until our holiday break. I know I'm excited and I'm sure you're excited, but we still have those 5 days. So let's make each of those days count. All right. Today is Monday, December 14th, 2020. Our learning target for today is I am learning how describing the details can help me make meaning of a story. I know I am successful when I can describe the characters in the story. So today we're going to be focusing on characters. Before we get to our story, let's go over some vocabulary that's going to be helpful for us today. The first one is poinsettia, and this is a type of plant that you typically see around this time of year. And if you're not sure what it looks like, there's a picture right here. The next is procession. And this is when a group of people move along in an order or in a line. A loom is used to make fabric by weaving yarn or thread. And weaving is the action of forming fabric by interlocking thread. And you may have done this before with Miss Davis in art. You can weave all kinds of things. Right here is a picture of a loom, and then here is an example of a weaving. Today, you are going to read The Legend of the Poinsettia. As we read, our goal is to be able to describe Lucida. She is the main character. Do you remember the difference between a main character and just a regular character? The difference is that the main character is who the story mostly follows. So you could even say that the main character is the most important character. So we're going to be trying to describe Lucida, the main character. Remember, when we describe a character, we not only want to describe the character on the outside, so maybe how they look, um, what you notice about the character, but you also want to describe the character's inside. What does the character say? What does the character do? What is the character thinking? Or, and this one's really important, what is the character feeling? A lot of times these things really affect what happens in the book. So what you will want to do is listen to the story, and all you have to do is click on this YouTube video. And as you are listening, you are really focusing on the words you're hearing and the pictures you are seeing. These will help us describe our main character. The pictures will definitely help you describe what she looks like on the outside. The words will be a lot of help when you're trying to describe what she is like on the inside. So what does the author say about the character? What does the author write about how the character feels or thinks? As you're listening, what words can you use to describe Lucida on the inside and the outside? What details from the story support these character traits that you use to describe Lucida? After you listen to the story, you are going to complete a T-chart. And on one side, you're going to write inside, And on the other side, you're going to write outside. Under inside, you will write everything you notice about Lucida on the inside, or I'm sorry, the outside. And then under inside, you're going to write everything you've noticed about Lucida on the inside. So this is where you would put the things like how she thinks, how she feels, what happens, and what she does. So this is on your independent work slides in Google Classroom. Make sure, even if you write it on paper, you take a picture and upload it to your slides. That way your teacher can see your work. All right, Super Scholars, I hope you all have a great rest of your day.